Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get public IP updated. Open a web browser or command line, then use a public service or your router interface to view your public IP. Try web services, ISB pages, or command tools like curl or dig against reliable endpoints. I will explain differences between IP4 and IP6, examples for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and quick tips to troubleshoot mismatches today now. In this video, I will explain how to get public IP updated. Open a browser and navigate to a reputable IP lookup site to see your public address and protocol. Look for the IP4 or IP6 label and confirm it matches your expected connection type. If the site shows a proxy or CDN, try another service or check your router status to verify the true public IP and refresh if needed. In this video, I will review how to get public IP updated. Quick recommendation. On another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker brings voice convenience to any room and pairs well with smart home routers for handy voice commands. If you liked this tip, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to get public IP updated. Open a terminal and use curl, dig, or PowerShell to query a known external endpoint for a clean IP string. Example commands return a plain IP4 or IP6 value you can parse in scripts or monitoring tools. Combine with cron or scheduled tasks to detect changes, and log timestamps for history or troubleshooting when your public IP updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.